So the next question from the IIT JAM Maths 2023 solution. So here it is given that let S be the triangular region whose vertices are 0, 0, 0, pi by 2 and pi by 2, 0. Then the value of this integration S sin x cos y dx by dy is equal to. So we have to calculate this. So we have to integrate. Before that, let us try to understand using a diagram like what it is trying to mean. So here we have x and y, okay, and so this is the triangular region we are talking about, bounded by 0, 0. This is 0, pi by 2, and this is pi by 2, 0. So obviously the equation of this line will be x by pi by 2 plus y by pi by 2 is equals to 1. So we can say that x plus y is equals to pi by 2. This is our equation. Now the integrating value, the equation here is, we have to integrate as sin x cos y dx dy. So here we can write it down as follows, that is integrating, here say y is equals to 0 to pi by 2, integration x is equals to 0 to, so from this equation this is clear that it is pi by 2 minus y of, what is it, sin x cos y dx dy. So now if we integrate, this is equals to y is equals to 0 to pi by 2. Here we have sin x dx, right? So sin x dx is basically minus cos x. Minus cos x from 0 to pi by 2 minus y into cos y dy. Now minus of y is equals to 0 to pi by 2 cos pi by 2 minus y minus cos of 0 is 1 into cos y dy. This is equals to minus y is equals to 0 to pi by 2. Now this implies sin y, and this can be written as, this cos y dy is basically d of sin y, right? So this into this integration minus integration of y is equals to 0 to pi by 2 cos y dy, correct? Now so sorry, this will be plus. So here we have minus sin y d sin y is our sin square y by 2, and I have a minus here, plus cos y dy, so that is minus sin y 0 to pi by 2, and this is also 0 to pi by 2. So here we have minus half of sin square pi by 2 minus sin square 0 plus again minus, sorry, this is not minus, this is sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. So this is minus half of, if you put the limits here, you know, 1 minus 0 plus 1 minus 0, so that is 1 by 2 is the correct answer.